everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's good to have you guys back. Today's episode is featuring two of the most popular SUVs in the marketplace today. One of them being this Cadillac Escalade. Second car is the Mercedes-Benz G63. The Cadillac Escalade is done a little different this time. You guys are used to seeing us do a 26-inch forged monoblock wheel. We called it the undisputed heavyweight champion of the industry. It's the D100. So I'm gonna reference a photo so you guys can see it. The first one we did was for Kim Kardashian, the popular satin silver Cadillac Escalade with all the trims color matched on the D100s. That thing went viral all over the internet. This time we decided to do something a little different. We wanted to take it back old school. We referenced the old Lowenhart wheel. This is the first set that's cut for this car. We decided to do a 26-inch three-piece wheel. And why? Because back in the day, if you didn't have three-piece wheels, you really didn't have wheels. The generation is different nowadays, so one-piece forged wheels, dual block wheels, things have changed. But if you had a three-piece wheel back in the day, you were doing the damn thing. So we decided to take it a little old school and run a three-piece 26-inch forged wheel on this thing. Inner barrel is gloss black, face is gloss black, outer lip is gloss black, and it has the custom floating Cadillac caps. All the exterior trim was blacked out and the vehicle is lowered. So this particular one didn't come on air suspension. So we did coils for the rear and we did spindles up front. It gave us a roughly about a 2.5 inch lowering on this. And the other vehicle that we're gonna be seeing shortly is gonna be the Mercedes-Benz G63. Mercedes-Benz G63 is on a 24-inch dual block wheel. A lot of details on it. It's done in a high polish with gloss black windows. And it's also lowered and some of the exterior trim is painted silver. So that's a hot car too. You guys will see that shortly.
What's up guys, it's Jonathan, Platinum Motorsport, bringing you a G-Wagon, G63 fresh off the rack. It's lowered, H&R springs, all four corners, 24-inch forged AGL 73 wheels in a high polish finish, which is one of the newest wheels that we've been pushing. Painted reflectors, shiny black, just to match the stripes all the way across, front and rear. And that's pretty much it for this one. Pretty straightforward, kept it clean and classy. Sometimes less is more, so this is what you get. Custom floating Mercedes-Benz cap. And that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Stay tuned for more.
I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Just wanted to give you guys a little heads up. This Cadillac Escalade is for sale. So serious inquiries, please don't hesitate to either DM at Platinum Group Instagram, or you guys can send us an email at info@platinummotorsport.com. Also, if you guys haven't liked this video, please go ahead and like it. If you guys haven't subscribed to our channel, please go ahead and subscribe and comment. Tell us what you guys think of these two beautiful SUVs. Obviously, your comments, your likes, your subscribes helps us use this platform and be able to deliver more content to you guys. So please share the video, like it, comment, tell us what you think about the two SUVs, and of course subscribe. That's going to give us the ability to use this platform and deliver more content to you guys.